basic foods the vegetarian should eat. Hi, this is Missey Grace. How are you doing? Today we're going to talk about what sort of food a vegetarian should eat. Friends ask me, sometimes it's really difficult to decide what to prepare for their breakfast, for their lunch, for their dinner, or even snacks. What do we have when you change over to vegetarian? Because most of the things that you have in the past, it's no longer allowed, or because of your health reason, or because of your religion reason, or just because of your environmental, ethical reason that you don't want to have any animal food, animal byproducts as well. What to do? Quite simple. You build your base from what you love to have in the past, that you can still retain them and continue and build on that. Say, for example, in the morning you can still have your breakfast cereal, or you can have your porridge, and you just add more nuts and dried fruit to add more flavor. That is nothing wrong with that. If you are not going to eat bee honey, you can use maple syrup or rice malt syrup. That is also good. So the thing is, we want to reduce the percentage of the salt and sugar in those commercial products. When you're at home, you have the control of that. What you need to have more of, say for example, grains, seeds, nuts, dry fruit, plenty of vegetables that you can source locally, because anything that's in season is good for us. And you will be able to cook really fresh, beautiful, really yummy food. Whatever you like. For example, if you do like pasta, you can use the simple tomato base, or you can use, for example, what I had last night. I have the silver beet and roast pine nuts, fettuccine, and sprinkle with a little bit of cheese, the vegan cheese. That is a beautiful, satisfying meal. All right. If you need any snacks, the most basic one, but it's really effective, will be dried nuts and fruits. Have a little container with you, pack it up, and have it with you. Whenever you feel like you want to have something, you have a healthy snack. That's not going to put on any weight if you worry about gaining weight. That is not going to have a problem. Basically, don't beat yourself up if you make a mistake, or you don't know when to start or where to start and what to do. There's a lot of information readily available online, or you can come and have a look at my Instagram post for some ideas, or you can ask me questions in the Facebook, and I will do my best to answer you. So that gives you something to think about and pay attention to. So until next time, be well, be happy. This is Missey Grace.